In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF on Dropbox. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to share your documents quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You can use any browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type Dropbox into the search bar and hit Enter. This will lead you to the search results page. Be sure to click on the correct link that directs you to the official Dropbox website. This is important because accessing the right site ensures your data remains secure and your experience is smooth. Once you are on the home page, you will be ready to log in. Next, you will need to log into your Dropbox account. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and a sign-in form will appear. Enter your email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a link to help you recover it. This step is crucial, as logging in allows you to access your files and share them as needed. Once you're in, you will see your Dropbox dashboard. Now hover your mouse over the PDF file you want to share. This action is simple but significant. As you move your cursor over the file, a set of options will appear, including the Share button. It is important to ensure you are hovering over the correct file, as sharing the wrong document can lead to confusion or miscommunication. This step sets the stage for the sharing process. Next up, click the Share button that appears. This action will prompt a pop-up window to open, displaying various sharing options tailored to your needs. You will see a clear interface that guides you through the sharing process. The visibility of the Share button indicates that the file is ready for sharing, making this step reassuring for users. You can now proceed to choose how you want to share your PDF file. After that, you need to choose your sharing method. Dropbox offers multiple ways to share your files, including sending them directly via email or creating a shareable link. This flexibility is beneficial because it allows you to select the method that best suits your recipient's preferences. Take a moment to consider which option will be the most effective for your situation. Once you have decided, you can move forward with the specific sharing method you prefer. To send the PDF via email, type the recipient's email address into the field provided. You will also need to choose their permission level, either can view or can edit. This is a crucial decision as it determines what the recipient can do with the file. If they only need to view the document, select Can View. If they need to make changes, opt for Can Edit. Once you've made your selections, click Share File. You will see a confirmation message, reassuring you that your file is on its way. Finally, if you prefer to send the file via link, click Create Link at the bottom of the pop-up window. This action generates a shareable link for your PDF document. After that, click Copy Link to save the URL to your clipboard. This method is convenient, especially if you want to share the link through various platforms. Once copied, you can paste the link wherever you need, and your document is ready to be shared effortlessly. And there you have it. You now know how to share a PDF on Dropbox. Following these steps allows you to collaborate with others and share important documents securely.